Just a few steps from Perugia, a countryside home immersed in rolling hills and centuries-old vineyards reveals precise geometries within the landscape. This stone house establishes a timeless dialogue with local building techniques and the surrounding nature. Clad entirely in local sandstone, the house is more close to the north to protect against the wind, and opens to the south with large windows that capture the most striking views of the landscape, both near and far. It is organized on 2 levels. The entrance is on the upper floor, where the living areas are located, while the lower floor houses the bedrooms and service areas. From the outside, the house looks like a sandstone monolith carved straight from the land. The entrance happens through a small loggia, covered by a long pitched copper roof that gently lowers between 2 century-old olive trees, without disrupting the scale of the place. From the street, the house appears discreet, with a low profile that respects the scale of the surroundings and aligns with a small agricultural structure that was already on the site, considered an important element in shaping the new construction. The interiors follow a minimalist style. Materials and colors range from warm wood used in the furniture and flooring to anthracite gray details in the kitchen and living area. At the back, the house opens up to the rural landscape and the expansive lawn leading toward the swimming pool at the southern end of the property. This 2-level layout helps resolve the natural slope between the small access road above and the flat lawn below, which, by the way, is the only horizontal area on the entire property. K-House is a clear example of contemporary architecture that engages with the past without worrying about trends.